Assalamualaikum. Okay, alright. So in this video, okay, we will continue another method, the second method, which is the variation of parameter. Okay. So you already learn one of the method, which is undetermined coefficient. Okay, before this, yesterday class, you already learned undetermined coefficient method. So today I will continue the chapter, which the chapter chapter about solution of second order. Okay, and this is the second method to solve the non-homogeneous equation, which is variation of parameter. Okay, so they have several steps that you need to know. Okay, so make sure you can differentiate between this method and the previous method, undetermined coefficient. Okay, I always highlight this to my student. Make sure you understand and make sure you know each of it, because if the question asks you to find the solution by using undetermined coefficient method, let's say, but you answer it by using variation parameter, even though your answer is correct, but they have no marks for your steps. No marks. Because you totally wrong. You didn't understand the question itself. Okay? So make sure you clear on each method. Alright? Okay, so for the variation parameter, okay, first step, same like the undetermined, you need to find out the general solution of homogeneous equation. Okay, you need to find out your general solution of homogeneous equation first. Okay, exactly sama lah macam step nombor 1 tu. Step nombor 1 for undetermined. You need to find out your general solution of YH for the homogeneous first. And undetermined, we did not as YH. But for this one, we don't want the YH actually. We want, okay, after you get the equation, the solution, what we need to do is you need to declare what is your Y1 and what is your Y2. It comes from this equation actually. Okay, let's say this is your YH, this is your general solution for homogeneous. You will get your YH after you factorize and so on, and then using table you check whether that one is real distinct, real repeated, or complex conjugate. After that, we need to declare, or we need to come up with a Y1 and also Y2. Okay, later on I will show you what's mean by Y1 and Y2. Okay, so step number 2, we will calculate. Okay, kita akan buat kiraan. Okay, calculate the Wronskian value. Okay, we call it as Wronskian value. We denote it as W. So it's a determinant. Okay, it's a determinant. Okay, it's a matrices that you need to find out the determinant. Okay, alright. Not a modular sign. Okay, so now this is your Y1 and this is your Y2. So maybe some of you will ask, actually this one is the same question that will repeat come again. Okay, actually you can switch either Y1 and Y2. Maybe I will write Y1 A, Y2 B. Maybe some of you will write Y1 B and Y2 A. It doesn't make, it's not a problem. Okay, tak ada masalah untuk ni. Same thing lah kalau untuk Wronskian pun, kalau you punya Y1 tu lain, Y2 lain, so mungkin you terbalik dengan I punya calculation, but it's okay. Okay, alright. So then for the second row is a Y1 prime and also Y2 prime. So what means by Y1 prime or Y2 prime? Yeah, you need to differentiate your Y1 and also your Y2. Okay, alright. Okay, so then, okay, how to find out the determinant? Just across multiply, right? So it will be Y1 Y2 prime minus Y1 prime Y2. Okay, alright. So this is the second step. So step number 3. Okay, for step number 3, you need to calculate. Okay, we calculate again. Calculate U. Okay, what is U? Okay, U here is negative. ada integration with sign. Integrate y2 fx over aw ds, and also v. Okay, if kalau tadi u is negative, so v is positive. Kalau tadi u is y2, now v is y1. That's it. Tu je beza dia. That's the difference between u and v. U ada negative and is y2, and v they have a positive sign and is a y1. So y2, y1 you get it from your step 1 lah. Fx you get it from the question. What is your fx? Fx is a question kan. Kalau non-homogeneous, let's say x square plus 1 equal to 2x. So this is your fx. Okay, this is your fx. So fx you can get it from the question. Okay, w you can get it from step number 2. That's why you need to calculate carefully. Okay, and how about a? What is a? A is a coefficient that in front of x square. Okay, kita ada, this is the general equation, ax square plus bx plus c, right? If you're using calculator, when you want to factorize, they have a, b, c, right? Okay, the a1 here, this one, the coefficient for x square. So that's why if you refer to this example, your a would be 1. Okay, your a is 1. So just substitute 1 here, and then this equation already complete, then you can integrate. Okay, alright. So the last step is step number 4. Okay, after you get all the calculation, you done all the calculations, so the general solution for this one is given by u11 vy2. So this is the final answer for the non-homo equation by using variation of parameter. So y equal to u, you get it from step number 3, y1 you get it from step 1, plus v you get it from step number 3, y2 you get it from step 1. Okay, so this is steps for variation of parameter. Alright. Okay, so in the next video, I will show you the example on how to solve the variation of parameter. Okay.